In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a favicon to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, open your website dashboard so you can access the site you want to update. Next, go to Websites plus Marketing. From there, select the website where you want to add or change the favicon. After choosing the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder, where you can make changes to your site settings. Once the editor is open, find and open the Settings menu. In the Settings area, look for the option labeled Favicon or Site Icon. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will be the section where you manage the small image that appears in the Browser tab. When you find that option, click Upload or Change Favicon. A file window will open on your computer. Select the image file you want to use as your favicon, then confirm the upload. Wait a moment for the image to finish uploading completely before moving on. If GoDaddy gives you cropping or adjustment options, use them to make sure the icon looks clear and centered. Since a favicon appears at a very small size, it is important to keep the image simple and easy to recognize. After that, save the favicon settings. This stores the new icon inside your website configuration and prepares it for preview and publishing. Now click Preview to review your website and make sure everything looks correct. This gives you a chance to confirm that the new favicon has been added properly before making the update live. If everything looks good, click Publish. This applies the new favicon to your live GoDaddy website. Once the site is published, open your live website in a Browser tab and check that the favicon appears as expected. If you do not see it right away, refresh the page or open the site in a new tab. In some cases, browsers may take a moment to show the updated icon because of cached data. You can also try clearing the browser cache if needed. That is the full process for adding a favicon to your GoDaddy website. Once the new icon is visible, your site will have a more polished and recognizable appearance in browser tabs and bookmarks. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.